The following diagram indicates the energy levels of a certain atom when the system moves from 2E level to E. A photon of wavelength lambda is emitted. So, the wavelength emitted is lambda when it transits from 2E level to E level. Wavelength of the photon produced during its transition from 4E by 3 level to E. This lambda dash I have to find out. Okay. So, we know by Planck's quantum theory of radiation, change in energy is h nu. H nu is c by lambda, and the change in energy here is 2E minus E. Difference in the energy level is between the two states of transition taking place is 2E minus E, that implies E is equal to hc by lambda, also implies lambda is hc by E. Next, for the second transition, 4 by 3 E minus E is equal to hc by lambda dash. That implies lambda dash is hc by 3 common denominator if I take, then it is 4E minus 3E. So, that is 3hc by E it will be, lambda dash. So, I can substitute in place of hc by E, I can substitute lambda. So, lambda dash is 3 lambda. So, option D is the correct answer.